going to the beach. This is my outfit. If you follow me on Instagram, this is my outfit for all beach plans because I don't have any other like beachy clothes. People that I'm going with: Anushka, Sukriti, Antara, Natasha, and the best me. So let me just update you guys about what happened in the morning. So I was doing some work and the work only finished by 3 o'clock, right? And then I was like, you know what, let me just take a nap for like 1 hour because then I'll start pack my bag, take my sunscreen, do my skincare and charge like my the thing that charges your phone, battery pack. And I was just like, yeah, I'm gonna live life and all. And then I slept and I just slept. I slept in a pile of my clothes. I didn't put my bread in the fridge. I didn't charge anything. And then I was late in the morning. My clothes weren't taken out. So that's why I'm wearing such a basic outfit, because I had to throw it together in really less time. And even I had forgotten to send my work in, so then I had to do that. And all this I had to do in 20 minutes before coming. So that's why I couldn't vlog that.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
But it is what it is. This channel is supposed to be for people like me who mess up. Never willingly go on a hike. Hi, welcome to the ferry. Do you want anything to drink?
No. Alcohol.
Do you want anything to drink?
Yeah.
Blue Lagoon.
Aren't you gonna ask me what I want?
What? You should be like Antara, just tell what you want.
I want cold coffee. I want
No coffee.
cold coffee. Cafe. For the window sides are taken.
I think up will be even more taken.
Okay, I guess you can.
My prediction was right. Guess who has bagged the window seat? Me. My skin is really bad this week, and I think that's because I forgot to bathe one day. So I'm gonna do skincare in the what is this place? Ferry. Because I don't like, it's important to do skincare. And I woke up late, so I didn't have time. So Kriti and Antara are judging me, but it's fine. We do skincare on this channel very properly. Now we're also gonna put sunscreen, because sunscreen is a very essential part of it. You can give me your chaddar, I can use that.
Yeah. That I got fresh after you.
Thanks. You should not forget our neck. I'm gonna zoom into your face, Antara, on this. Today my necklace also broke in the morning, the hook of the necklace, and I couldn't even find it, so I could fix it or something. But that's just a part of life, and we just have to learn that things break and you can't just be emotionally attached to them. And everybody's just socializing and not me, because I have a vlog to do and skincare to do. Right now I know it looks really wet, but that's because my cream is water based. So after some time it'll dry down. Wonder of the world, blue taxi. We are in taxi because we are bougie.
I feel like you've told me that. We look like
That was so
random. You're sitting in Shiva and you're like, oh my god.
Look at this
We can
road.
get off here.
No, Natasha.
It's like right here.
Suspense.
Whoa.
Thrill. Sounds so scary. We have arrived. Say hello to my new friends.
So this is Samya's look today. Look, tag number 1. Hey, show me the tag. Not this one. That side. The pants are also upside down. She calls this look inside out.
I forgot. This is also a part of our beach expedition. Look at those girls, just taking pic and living life. What have you bought? Look at me walking on the beach. Oh my god, it's shitting. That is the best experience of this beach. My date always. Give hand. Oh my god. Give hand. She looks so pretty. Social distancing. Hi guys. This seat is reserved for our queen Natasha. Having lot of fun. Everybody's on their phone. Asco, sanitizer, rings. Hello guys. This is the unboxing of a fancy water and fancy glass and ice. Look at that. Why does the pizza look like a chair? Cheers. Lot of oil, so you need to remove it.
Like
This is blotting paper. See, oil and normal.
I feel like a wave or something.
Why?
So fast.
Can you see people are like flying in the air? Where to do this in Hong Kong? If you know it, comment down below.
I don't know.
It just keeps getting stuck
And hygiene.
on the... It just got stuck and I really couldn't bother. This is the reason for my hair fall. I'm gonna go bald. Update time. We are about to leave. Anta's top got ruined. And we went in the water and we played with the doggy. Footage coming up.
You're doing amazing, sweetie. That's why she has so much energy.
Oh.
It's like she's so comfortable with everyone. It's so cute. Samya, you better record this.
I am.
I need to show this to Zelda.
The first dog I'm not scared of.
Is she learning how to swim?
Yeah, they just said second time.
You want me to swim?
That's off my mind. Yeah.
Oh.
I think she's sleepy.
I want to take her home.
I want to. Oh, your fall is
That's 1 minute of her footage.
Chilling.
Oh my god, a collar.
Acha. Nice one. We are also removing our shade thingy. Umbrella. We got the umbrella as a rented thing. Responsible adults. All in all, it was a very fun day and we had a very fun time. And the plan of action is to go reach our hall and get something which is called bath. We have a distance. Okay guys, back to reality. Now I'm going back to my room. Really tired. I'm gonna go sleep or something. You can see the bags for me. See you. Bring the magic. Wow. Sunday, but the sun is just really pretty. Oh. That's it, guys. I am done with the vlog. I'm really tired. So bye. Love you. Please like and subscribe and comment if you liked my fun day at the beach. Please do so because it helps out the ton and it's really nice. Yeah. So thank you and bye. Welcome. Welcome back. You thought you got rid of me so easily. Anyways, bye. You know this doesn't work on iPhone. Like this thing where you do this and then this thing shuts. It just doesn't work. So bye.